Hi children, welcome to Narayana live classes. Today's topic is plants making and storing food. Plants make their own food and store the food in different parts of the plant. The process of preparing a food by the plants in the presence of sunlight is called photosynthesis. Okay, we are having some bits here. First section, write true for T for true and F for false and correct the false statement. The first statement is air enters leaves through the leaf blade. It is a false statement. The correct statement is air enters leaves through the stomata. The second bit is leaves have a green substance called glucose. This is a false statement. Leaves have a green substance called chlorophyll. This is the correct statement. The third question is plants take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide during respiration. This is a false statement. The correct statement is plants take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen during respiration. The next statement is the extra food made by the plants is always stored in their fruits. This is a false statement. The correct statement is the extra food made by the plants is stored in different parts of the plant. Next, coming to the next bit, animals depend on plants for carbon dioxide. This is a false statement. Animals depend on plants for oxygen is the correct statement. Next, coming to the next statement, carrot, radish and turnip are stems which stores food. This is a false statement. The correct statement is carrot, radish and turnip are roots which store food. Now coming to the next statement, seventh statement, iodine is used to test the presence of chlorophyll. This is a false statement. The correct statement is iodine is used to test the presence of starch. Now coming to the next statement, iodine turns starch into green color. This is a false statement. The correct statement is iodine turns starch into dark blue or black color. With this we have completed our assignment. Bye children.